Looking for a reliable, efficient, and versatile heating solution for your commercial or industrial space? Discover the Reznor EUH Series, a range of powerful electric unit heaters designed to maintain comfort even in the harshest conditions. Whether you're heating a workshop, retail store, or large warehouse, the Reznor EUH Series offers robust heating capabilities with a significant temperature rise, ensuring consistent warmth throughout your space. Models range from 3 to 30 kilowatts and offer options that are 208 or 240 volt single or 3-phase, as well as 480 volt 3-phase. Equipped with low noise axial fans, the EUH Series provides even heat distribution, efficiently circulating air to cover every corner of your environment. The integrated adjustable louvers allow you to direct warm air precisely where it's needed. Designed with both functionality and durability in mind, the EUH Series features Reznor's signature construction, including stainless steel, sheathed and finned heating elements, all encased in a sturdy, scratch-resistant finish. Safety is at the forefront of the EUH Series design. Each unit is equipped with an automatic reset, high-temperature limit switch, and internal overload protection, ensuring dependable and secure operation in any setting. Installation is straightforward with the included wall bracket or using a 2-point mounting system. An easy-to-open hinged service door and external thermostat wiring strip also help to make installation and servicing quick and easy. With a range of control options from simple on and off switches to advanced multi-stage thermostats, you have the power to dial in the heat the way you want. Plus, it's BMS compatible, allowing for centralized management of multiple units. Electric heating, like the Reznor EUH Series, converts nearly 100% of electricity into usable heat, making it highly efficient with no energy wasted on venting. Without emissions, it offers a clean, eco-friendly solution. Plus, with durable stainless steel elements and built-in safety features, the EUH Series ensures reliable, consistent warmth while supporting sustainability goals. Efficient, durable, and versatile, the Reznor EUH Series is the ideal heating solution for your commercial or industrial space. Explore the EUH Series and more at TotalHomeSupply.com. Visit TotalHomeSupply.com today to discover the perfect heating solution for your needs.